Early this week, High Tech Tabay has reached 1,000 subscribers, and that means this channel is already qualified for monetization. It was a slow but steady growth of subscribers. I am proud of it because most of them are real subscribers. I don't know most of them. Thank you for your support. And meanwhile, I breached the required 4,000 watts hours for monetization several months ago. And to celebrate that milestone, I am going to share a video in time for the holidays, restoring that $100 Pampanga lantern that I bought in 2000, but it was partially damaged by Typhoon Odette last year. One line of the LED lights is off, and it means that one or several LEDs are busted. It's so tedious to trace what LED is busted and where to find it. Medyo tedious ang pag-repair nito because you have to cut each of the malfunctioning LED. Then pagkatapos makat mo, test mo yung LED bulb niya kung okay ba o hindi. Then check mo ang line in between non-functioning LEDs. Sa nakita ko, isang buong line ang hindi nag-function. I traced the connection. So isang line lang talaga. Then nilagyan ko to ng mga kita niyo yung masking tape here para alam ko kung saan ako, kung ano yung mga LEDs na puputulin ko. I attempted to locate it, but I removed all the LEDs and tested it using a multi-tester. I found several busted LED. So ito, pinuputol ko lahat ng LED and I'm trying to check each of these LED kung okay pa hindi. Ito, hindi na pwede, but ito, pwede. So, try natin kung magamit natin ulit ito. Test ko na naman ng tester. Pag hindi iilaw, it means may problema. Itapo na lang. Pag mag-iilaw siya, then you can still use like this one, no? Magagamit pa. So, just make some mark here. Bigyan ko lang tali yung positive side to guide us later on. I was supposed to reconnect the good LED back to the lantern, but my attempt has failed. So I resorted to replace the whole Christmas lights. I removed the LEDs. Naka-glue to siya. Glue gun actually. So I have to reheat para matanggal. Kasi it would take time for me to check each individual LED. So, better to replace it with whole LED lights. Pareho lang naman kasi ang nilagay ng manufacturer nito, ito lang naman, series lights. Okay. So, meron naman akong marami nito. Just replace this one. The manufacturer of the lantern uses common Christmas LED lights for this. The controller has an 8 light combinations. The incandescent bulbs inside the star frame at the center are made to flash using winkers. I use my old Christmas LED lights from my Christmas tree. It's made of 100 lights, about double the original number of LEDs. In the original construction, the manufacturer of the lantern arranged meticulously its LED to achieve desired light patterns. I could no longer do that in this restoration work. So I just neatly attached its LED to the copy's shell. By the way, I also have to restore the copy's shells and its tiny frames that are made of aluminum sheet. This is supposedly Pampanga lantern, but the materials are inferior. Look at this one. This is made of tiny sheet of aluminum. It's so weak. Okay. So I have to support it. I cannot solder it because it's aluminum. I'm using I don't know what kind of soldering lead. You see? Okay. So, not really sturdy. After about a week, I've successfully restored this Pampanga lantern. But wait, there's more. In the process, I discovered at least two defects in my Christmas LED lights that I bought 2 years ago. It means I used it already for 2 Christmases. I've noticed that there's a factory defect, or maybe the store is repairing this set of lights before I bought this one. Two LEDs were already devoided of its case and its terminal were already exposed after it was repaired. So after 2 years, ngayon ko lang na-discover na meron palang inayos dito sa Christmas light ko. At ito, tingnan mo, naputol siya at wala tong case. Unlike ito, na nilagay sa loob talaga, may rubber casing siya. Ito, wala, exposed siya. Ngayon ko lang na-discover at ito sa yung dulo niya na naputol. At naputol siya mismo doon sa base ng LED. Oh. This is dangerous because homeowners may have physical contact with the exposed wires during installation. It may also catch fire. This Christmas LED lights is made in China and was supposedly pass the quality inspection and the ICC certification requirements. I am glad that this early I have discovered that anomaly in the construction of Christmas LED lights from China. So the next time I am installing Christmas lights in my Christmas tree, I shall avoid holding the Christmas lights while it is plugged in the convenience outlet. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, everyone. Please continue to support this channel for more home technology tips. Daghang salamat. Ako si Jun Tariman. High Tech Tabay!